To shoot beautiful autumn landscapes, you just need several things. So stick with me and I'll tell you the exact things you need.
Probably this video will never be published. Hello YouTube! We are in the middle of autumn season, the season of bright yellow and orange colors, when all this cold-ish greenery turns to the warm side of the color palette. But what if there is no light, there is no such bright splashes of color, and there is no particular subject to shoot? I think this is the moment when we have to try to find some close-ups or some textures, or even get back home with no photos. This forest is amazing, it's quiet, and it's just nice to walk here. The mistake I made is to went here during the weekend. And this is probably the last warm weekend of this year. So this forest is overcrowded, and I tried to find some calm place, but all, conventional, beautiful places in this forest are occupied. And even here, in the middle of nowhere, in the crossroads of the abandoned trails, runners, bikers, quadrocyclists, and even guys on cars. I cannot find any beautiful subjects here, except this trail itself, a bit lit up by these overcast skies. At least it's something, right? So I'll try to take this shot. I zoomed a bit to the very bend of this trail. ISO 50, 1/3 of the second, f9 and 2-second timer. These bikers set it themselves to be a subject of this shot, so I don't mind. And also I love this side of this crossroad. Probably I'll have to wait for the wave of the wind to get these leaves falling down in my shot. Yeah, another couple of hikers. No complaints. I understand this is a beautiful place to spend your weekend. Probably I should arrive here during the working days, but as majority of these people, I'm working 9 to 5. I like this sign on the tree. It leads to the trail. This is that particular moment. I decided to take several close-ups-ish shots. I believe this bright branch with yellowish leaves on it in front of this dark valley could work nicely. At least I'll try. This branch is really bright, but I have to raise my ISO to be able to shoot this branch with the reasonable shutter speed, because in other case the wind will smooth all these leaves in my frame, and my frame won't be that sharp. So I can pose it in a way that the leaves I want to emphasize are slightly out of the center. I don't know why, I just feel it this way. f5.6, 1/4 of the second for shutter speed, ISO 4000. The autumn photography is all about the color and probably about the light and subjects. And this is my favorite oak tree. This tree always gets all the attention, so I have to wait for my turn to get closer to this tree to take some shots, because it's Sunday and I have to be patient. And while I'm waiting, I want to show you some shots I took today. I found some beautiful natural composition here, and I believe this is a beautiful shot. But since this stuff is located in shadow, I lit up with stuff with some lights just to add some color contrast. And I'm definitely looking weird in this park, and probably some parents are scared about me with these lights in the grass and caring about something on the ground, but I don't care. I believe this is a beautiful intimate scene, beautiful for close-up, and it shows some kind of mood of autumn, the exact thing I want to bring into my shot. I believe this is a nice exercise. If you cannot find any composition, I mean the composition free of walkers, these small scenes are the answer probably. And if this shot turns out to be any good, here it is. Finally, I've got a chance to take a shot of this oak with no one around. I believe this situation will not last for long, so I have to act fast. This tree is just gorgeous. And definitely I have to buy some wide-angle lens, because this tree doesn't fit to 18mm. So if you want to support my channel, you can find the link to do so in the description of this video. And I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who supports me. Found the spot of some amazing colors. This is what October in Serbia looks like. Planning your next vacations, consider Serbia.
Okay, the first thing you need is to stop watching YouTube, pack your bag, or just grab your phone and get yourself out. Because autumn is outside. Did you get it? Go freaking outside, right now. But first you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, push the notification bell, and that's it. Go outside. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Ciao for now.